So this house is for my friends who are either first-time home buyers or looking to add additional income to supplement paying part of their mortgage. This house is a duplex. So this first unit here is a 2-bedroom, 1 bath, and it's got a lot of original charm. Right to the right is a little bit of a dining room, and then to the left here is a big living room space. I want to mention that this house has a brand new roof, brand new furnace, and it does look like the plumbing has been updated, which is always a great plus. And then of course you've got the kitchen, new countertops, new cabinets, and then your 1 bathroom is here. Pretty good space. You could definitely probably fit a double sink vanity here if you would like. Coming back out, this is some pretty cute little storage area with the original drawers here. This is down to the basement. We'll go down there in a second. Bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2, and then we'll walk down to the basement. So this duplex is technically, the attic was converted into a living space. So this would make a great contender if you wanted to put it on furnish finders, rent to the traveling nurses, traveling doctors, x-ray techs, and or people looking for short-term, longer-term rentals, so like 3-month stints. Make a good Airbnb as well, so that you can live in this unit and rent out the other one, or if you wanted to rent out both, or go in on with a friend and have your friend live in the top unit. So this top unit actually has a separate entrance here, but you can also access it through the kitchen. So I'll show you that separate entrance around the side, and also there is alley access. Go to the backyard first. It does have a detached 1-car garage, and that basement does have a separate entry, so if you have dogs and you want to put a doggy door and fence in this yard, you definitely could. And I believe I forgot to tell you the price of this home. This house is listed for $490 right now. It has been on the market for 180 days, so there is opportunity to negotiate closing costs to be paid for you. So right when you walk up the stairs, you're in this living room area. Very big space, looks like original hardwood floors. To your left is the 1 bedroom. And it has this really cool little nook here. You can turn into an office, walk-in closet, a little nursery. If you're gonna be putting it on furnish finders, I do recommend making that an office space with a big comfy chair, because people who are renting those spaces do need a space to work. And then you have the bathroom. Does need a little bit of work. Back to where that staircase is. And then the kitchen here. Brand new countertops, brand new cabinets. Pretty big space. Technically it is an eat-in kitchen. You can put some bar stools here. Maybe even a cute little round table here. This unit does not have washer and dryer, but it would be easily added in maybe this space right here. And again, my name is Whitney. If you are looking or in the market or would like to talk about how you can purchase a house here in the Tacoma, Washington area, reach out. I would love to help.